Yo, what's up? Hola, bienvenidos, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe because we got a late night today. I got a phone call for an AC that's out. It's super hot. Our summer has already started, so even at night we're getting these 90-degree weather at night. It's never really fresh. It's 100 and some during the day. It's 90s at night. We need AC. So I got this phone call in, and I was actually I had my kid at a birthday party. So I told him, give me some time. Let him enjoy himself. Let me get out there like in an hour or two. And I took about an hour and a half, and now I'm heading out there. Not too bad, right? Same day service still. We don't make them wait, till I'm okay with going out, at least to check it, because, it could be something simple or it could be something that needs to be ordered. Why wait till Monday? It's Saturday today. I also have to take a phone call at 8, but we'll see. It's 7:30 right now. But we're going to go. It's a high-ass roof. The last thing that I knew about this place, the other company was going to take care of some stuff. I don't know what happened. I don't know which AC it is, so we'll see what happened, what the issue is. But like I said, summer's here, so we're going to get these crazy calls. I've been working day and night. I've had some late nights as well. And it's refrigeration and AC work because I'm so backed up that if I schedule everybody for the next week, then all that gets pushed back, and I still got maintenance. I got a whole bunch on my plate right now, and I'm trying to do all of it. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoy, and just want to say what's up before it gets real dark. All right, not that one. All right, so this one is completely off. Got the panels off. Or at least this one. And then I was looking for a trip transformer. We got an LED. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, what the hell does that mean? Is it on here? Wire code, component code. Flashes. 2 flashes, pressure switch or inducer. So let's start checking pressures. Either it doesn't say which one, either loss of charge or high head. Alright, so I'm not used to these, but if we check high pressure switch, nothing. And then low pressure switch, nothing. And if we check each one to ground, we have 24, 25 on all of them. There is voltage, so I'm assuming that's the only thing that's for that. I'm assuming that board has to be reset, so let's do that. But first, I'm gonna hook up. It could be a motor they gave out or something. But you know what, let's reset it first, and I'll go grab my probes. Turned it off for a few seconds, turned it back on. Now if I also need to double check our blower here, but turns on. That turns on fine. I'm gonna check right here real quick, and then we'll check pressures. All right, I felt some cold air coming out, but this is the blower axis. Motor's working, but need a belt. All right, so so let's shut that off. We have no ice or anything. This, my friends, is an B58. Let me see if I have anything. If not, I'll show you guys the trusty old emergency belt that we use. All right, so either way, I'm probably gonna have to come back. I don't even know if this one would fit. We'll see. If not, I do have, what did I say, that one was 50? I mean 58. We got a 60. So either one. I don't think this one goes up to 58, but this is the emergency one that I can normally get by with, and you can make your own size. Should be in my tool link if you guys are interested. I always carry this for weekend calls, which today is Saturday, so we'll get it going either way and be back on Monday. We'll see if this belt works, because, well, if you loosen up that nut right there, that bolt, that one right there, obviously you can, you know, adjust it. I think I'm all the way out just to get this belt in there with some good tension. So we will see if that works. Oh my God, I'm getting old. So I'm gonna clean it up a little bit and test it out. All right, I gotta bring a vacuum up on the next one. Let's see. All right, good enough. All right, so no, I'm not gonna gauge up. I'm not gonna mess with it. Feels like it's getting warm already. We will do a temperature check. If I can find my thermometer. It's hot in there, so good to go. Let's get out of here. You might not be able to see me, but manager disappeared. I'm gonna come back in a few days anyway, get them the belts, clean it up a little bit. It's an hour later. I'm 30 minutes away from home. I'm gonna go pick up some dinner, head home for the family, all that, and we'll be back in a few days. Just satisfied, just got here, got 2 belts. We'll leave them behind. Didn't realize I left my universal belt behind, so let's get this, well, turn off first. I'm gonna right up the drain. I think it's, no, I don't think it's broken, right? I gotta level it though. All right guys, so hope you all enjoyed the video. It is hot, it's cloudy, it's kind of weird, but system's up with new belts. They're not in the greatest condition. I did see that the duct has to be like redone. Probably got some mold on me, just taking a quick glance around. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, got something out of it. I appreciate you all. See you guys. I dropped my lockjaw ladder grip from way up there. Hit the cement, but it's fine. Didn't break, didn't do nothing. Still works just fine. Thought for sure I would have messed it up, but kind of see that where it hit. Still works though. And I just realized I had an extra piece that I didn't put back. So that was custom made and I took this out. So thankfully it didn't have an issue because I had another belt, but that would have been helpful.